What's up guys, and welcome back, or if this is your first time, welcome to the Swamp Boys Garage channel. This is going to be a different kind of video. This video, we're submitting it as our application to win the chance to purchase Ed's Lamborghini Gallardo. He made a video on his VinWiki YouTube channel about a Lamborghini he purchased for $35,000 that had a very wild and shady past. Now, instead of fixing up the car and reselling it for an easy $140,000, he's requesting people make a video explaining what they would do with the car if they got a chance to purchase it. He, along with the sponsor, SWAE, will select 10 or so of these videos, then let you guys pick the final winner, and then sell the car for $35,000. We'll have links to everything in the description. Just go check it out, and you can also submit a video too if you would like. So first, a brief explanation about our YouTube channel. We're a father-son team buying salvage cars at the Copart auction. We learn as we go on how to fix them up, and we have an awesome group of positive subscribers that give us great advice and tips that help us out. This channel is truly a joint effort, and we're all having fun learning as we go. Now, my son is the mastermind behind the channel. He's 13 and in 8th grade. He has been a YouTuber since he was probably 7 or 8 years old, making CrossFit video, and he had a very successful tortoise channel for many years, so he knows the editing and how this stuff works. He really puts a lot of work making good quality videos for you all. Now, I, on the other hand, I'm a blue-collar business attorney. I help small businesses get started. I help draft contracts for them and handle intellectual property like trademarks, copyrights. And I'm sure no one on this channel ever thought I was a mechanic or a body man, so I don't think I ever misled anyone there. I didn't start out as an attorney. My mom made me go to college after high school because back in the 90s, trade school was frowned upon, and there was a bad stigma if you didn't go to the college route. I think this country's paying dearly for that mindset now, with a huge shortage in skilled workers, especially since the baby boomers are retiring. Since I was forced to go to college, and thank you, Mom, I appreciate that now. I got out the college guidebook, and I found the most non-college, hands-on trade school type degree that I can find at my university. I majored in industrial technology. And we learned numerous trades from electrical to welding, hydraulics, and I operate a lathe, just you name it. It was the perfect degree for me. And during college, I worked in machine shops, offshore, oil drilling, welding, boilermaker, all kinds of things, and loved it. It wasn't much until much later in life, I went to law school. I wanted to be a different kind of attorney and give back to the small businesses, like a guy starting a transmission shop. Now, he may be the best mechanic in the state, but just completely clueless on how to get started, or just couldn't afford a big law firm to help him out. Or if the local welding and fab shop has an issue, I could be on their level and really understand the problem versus an attorney that doesn't know anything about what they do. So having said all that, you're probably wondering, what in the world does this have to do with what you'll do with the Lamborghini? Well, as a blue-collar business attorney, I love to give back. I believe the more you give, the more you receive in life. And my true passion is helping youth learn about business and different trades they can go into, since I've basically experienced most of them. And teaching youth, I've learned there's 2 ways to get to a teenage boy's attention, either with hot girls or fast cars. And I think if I went to my kid's school with bikini models, it might be frowned upon or borderline illegal. So that's where the Lamborghini comes in. So my proposal for the Lamborghini Gallardo is that I will go to high schools in my area, to the industrial shop classes or welding classes, and use the Lambo to break the ice and get them excited and get their attention, and then talk to them about how to start a business, how businesses work, and how you can learn a trade. You'll always have a job, and a good paying job. And I think COVID taught a lot of people the difference between essential and non-essential workers. So that's it. That's my proposal. I will use it to help motivate and influence high schoolers in my community and I think I can get some amazing stories from them in the process, so hopefully I can come back on the VinWiki channel one day and talk about it.